Social media giant Meta is back in federal court, this time over its impact on children. A coalition of 29 states accuses the company of designing Facebook and Instagram to keep young users hooked while misleading the public about the risks. Kentucky is among 4 states leading the case, which could expose Meta to as much as $1.4 trillion in penalties. Fox News correspondent Claudia Cowan has the details.
Meta's legal team arriving here at the federal courthouse in Oakland for the start of a trial that could determine the fate of social media. The owner of Facebook and Instagram accused of intentionally hooking kids on its platforms and lying about the mental health crisis it created. But some experts say it could be difficult for a jury to separate Meta's legal responsibilities from the overall impact of its products.
What Meta knew and whether it was honest and truthful in what it relayed, I think is going to be the key issue. But I think the major issue that the public is looking for is what effects social media has on children.
In addition, up to $1.4 trillion in fines, a coalition of 29 states is asking a judge to grant injunctive relief, meaning Meta would have to make big changes to its platforms if it wants to stay in business.
The things that they're fighting are likes, endless scrolling, and alerts. And these are all things that light up that brain, that pleasure-seeking part of the brain.
One of the big battles that we're going to have is where that personal and family responsibility comes in.
The trial is expected to last about 6 weeks, and officials say if they're successful in holding Meta accountable, they'll go after other social media giants.
We go to where the threats are, and social media is the threat to our kids. It's the opioid fight of our generation.
And the final ruling in this case will be up to the judge. The jury will advise her, but their findings are not legally binding. In Oakland, California, Claudia Cowan, Fox News.